Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. Oh, hey, no leave, no transfer. I am here to give you all the updates back to back. Everything that is happening, see. This is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to this channel, because I will give it to you back to back. So my beautiful people, yesterday, the 26th day of February 2024, hey, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu finally after a very long hectic day, a very long moment of absence from court, a very long moment of them not doing the needful towards the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, finally appeared in court, and guess what, he was there present. And as the case may be, this picture you are seeing here is the recent picture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when he appeared in court the 26th day of February 2024. Do you know that this picture has taken a whole lot? Like, it has stirred up a lot of people. After this picture surfaced on the internet, a lot of people were complaining that, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not well at all. They say that this picture that you are seeing is not really speaking volume, is not really making sense to them. They say that looking at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through this picture looks like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is really sick, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu really need urgent medication. Why some persons were saying, oh, they never knew that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is feeding well, they are taking good care of him, everything is going well as planned, look at the way he looks, look at everything, oh, he has added, he's like this, is like that. Why some persons are saying, look at this picture very well. This picture, does this looks like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is healthy? Does this picture looks like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu everything is well with him? Or this picture is looking like otherwise, that all is not well with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Now I have brought this update to you, that this is the tale of a lot of people, what they are saying concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And without not wasting much of time, let us hear the response from the Biafra Prime Minister. The Biafra government has analyzed this picture. This is coming to you from the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa. The Biafra government has analyzed this picture of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra in the courtroom yesterday. And we are now convinced that Nigeria Islamic State has been poisoning his food. However, we are demanding for the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for proper medical treatment, or else we will stir up the flame. The Biafra government and his force hereby give Nigeria 72 hours ultimatum to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to medical treatment, to see every visible structure that represent Nigeria within Biafra land go down. The ultimatum will elapse on 1st of March 2024. Hey, this is coming to you from the Biafra Prime Minister. He said that when he looks at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when he sees this picture, that he feel like crying. He say, oh, this is not good at all. That this picture has tell a lot of things. This picture shows that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not feeling well at all. He said this picture shows that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need urgent medical attention. So now I throw the question to you. What is your take on it? Did you agree with him, or you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in this state? The way he's looking, some persons they are saying, oh, he's not very fat. Some are saying, oh, I said it, that Onyedu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not look sound in this picture at all. Whatever we can do to bring our leader out, let's do it, please. Enough is enough. And now a lot of Biafrans are saying, honestly, daddy is not looking good at all. But no matter what it may be, you must live to dwell in the land of the Biafra Republic. Hey, a lot of them were saying, no time for defensive. Now, time for offensive. Hey, they say nothing will happen to you. You know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the way they see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are not happy. That this shows that his condition is really critical. The good guy, I know you can't say what you can't do. We need more action. So a lot of people, we are really talking, and they are commenting that they don't like the way this picture is. They don't like the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in this picture. That if you see this picture, you see a man that is ill. If you look at this picture, you see a man that is not sad. If you look at this picture, you don't really see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in this picture. What you just see that this picture is a kind of flicking people, like this picture shows that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu needs urgent medication. That this thing, people are saying that he's fat. Oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS dungeon. They say they are suffering Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very fat. His head is doing that. But if you look at this type of fat, you will know that this fat have K-leg. Like, this is not really the normal way of fat. Even if you know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before, you have his pictures, you are close to him, or you are not even close to him, you just have to see one of his pictures, then you really understand who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is. So with this picture like this, when a lot of people were saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS dungeon, he's enjoying, he's feeling himself, everything is working well as planned, a lot of Biafrans, they are still telling you that this is not our leader we used to know. This is not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is not the way he looks. They want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go back to the way he is, like a normal human being. And again, the Biafra Republic government in Ezra said they gave the Nigerian government 72 hours ultimatum to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for proper medical checkup. He said if not, their ear go see their eye. Come on, what do you take from it? All these things that is happening, are you in the opinion that said that this picture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not really work? This is not really Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is sick. Things are not really working well. Or you are in the opinion that say, oh no, everything is fine. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is okay. This is just a normal picture. What is your take? But looking at the picture, maybe looking at him, you know that activities don't do nights for inside this DSS dungeon when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did. All the same, there is really something that we really hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right now. We hold him our prayers, we hold him support in any way that you can, in any way that you can raise your voice so that people will also hear about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You just have to do it. This is not the time for people to think or to say, let me wait for their family, let me wait for this. No, anything you know you can do, do it. So my beautiful people, this is the update I bring for you, that the people of Biafra, they are not finding this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu recent picture, they are not finding this funny at all. They have already taken their stand by saying that they gave the Nigerian government 72 hours ultimatum to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or else, hey, say what did they happen, all this go be story. So what is your take on it? So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I see them in your one and only Progress the Analysis. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.